How to make Facebook Marketplace listing shareable. So launch the Facebook application and go to the marketplace by tapping the market icon found on top. Now if you already created your listing, just tap this icon found on the top right corner. And under selling, you will see this option, your listings. So in here, you will find all of your listings and just select the listing that you want to share. Then tap more and then go to share listing. So with this, you are provided with 3 options, which is to send in Messenger, copy link, and share to your newsfeed. So by using the copy link option, you can share this link to any of your social media platforms, which can garner more views. And if you're gonna use the share to newsfeed option, all of your Facebook friends will be able to see this listing. And so that is how you make Facebook Marketplace listing shareable. Thank you and have a great day.